Here's what we woke up to this morning. Not much, but it's something. Way back there, the mountains. You can see way back there. Snow covered. Well, Merry Christmas, everybody.